Hi, today we talk about calligraphy, how to write and say calligraphy in Chinese. We say 书法, 书法, 书 literally it means books or writing. In this context, it means writing. And 法 it means ways or methods. So 书法 it means a way of writing. So calligraphy, it's in Chinese, is not only a way of writing. It's actually also a form of art. It has 5 different scripts: seal script, calligraphy script, regular script, which is the one that now you're looking at, and also running script and cursive script. So each form has its own characteristics, and we need to focus on the rhythm, the spatial arrangement, and each strokes. So there are a lot to learn. So I hope that you enjoy this video, and hope that you can continue practicing writing. Thank you so much for watching.